Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and as you can see, I am finished down here other than the grooming. So I think we will deal with that. Now I just put my hand on the carpet here. I did this room, the family room, and then a little office and 2 other bedrooms upstairs. And now I'm down here to do the final step, which is to post-groom. And the carpet is dry, or feels virtually dry already, which is ideal for when I'm cleaning. Obviously, if I'm low moisture, I want to be that, low moisture. There, I figured I'd just groom it with that right there. But the rest of it I'll be using the vacuum. Which is what I normally do. Okay, so let's post vacuum with the Hoover Hush Tone. I'm running it on low power when I do the post vacuuming normally. Now the purpose of using the vacuum is I just prefer it. I'm not actually picking up any of my encapsulating product with this, or virtually nothing anyway, because that's not the purpose and that's not the way it's working. This is primarily just as a grooming tool. I could use a carpet brush or rake or whatever, but I don't like using them. It's a matter of, first of all, preference, and then also when I do the post vacuuming, I will be picking up any particulates that might have been dislodged but not drawn up into the pad. So this is just an additional extraction step. And it works just fine. And no, I'm not getting any moisture into my vacuum because the carpet is so dry. How dry? Totally dry. There might be a spot here and there that have a little bit of moisture on it, but in most cases the carpet will be dry or virtually dry. And you know, the other thing about it is when people realize that this is how I do it, that I'm going to vacuum their carpet before I clean the carpet, and then vacuum the carpet after I do it, they notice these things. You know, consider that almost all steam cleaners won't even bother pre-vacuuming the carpet. This carpet is looking beautiful. It had some stains on it that are completely gone. It looks like a new carpet. There's a seam right there. This is a Saturday, by the way. I avoid working on Saturdays, but I don't mind it. And right now, because we're so slow, I'm not going to turn away a job just because they want to have it on a Saturday. Just trying to figure out where that chair was. All right, I'll go over here. I think I see something here. I don't think I saw that there before. I have some omega citrus in here. That's where I had it sitting there before, so I'll just put it back there. There's a bad stain right where I'm at now, and again, that one is gone. Notice I'll have the handle on here this way. That's so that when you're pulling it back, you don't bang into furniture with the edge of the vacuum there and make a mark. Or doorways, I've had that happen, so I figured I'll put that handle on that way. And it works fine that way. Doesn't cause a problem then. Doesn't make a mark. If I did bump something, it'll just sort of knock it out of the way rather than making a mark. looking really, really good. Looking really nice. Okay, I will look at how nice that looks, eh? There's some degradation of the pile here from wear, and it'll lighten up as well as it over the next day or so. It actually feels pretty much dry, but there is wear on this, particularly in the doorways here, so there will always be a bit of a darker appearance there from wear and abrasion on the yarn. Anyway, I'll let you go. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.